Today's project is to install this window air conditioner that weighs 63 pounds. And I'm going to use this aluminum step stool that I got at Harbor Freight Tools for $26 to make a mount. It came in this box. It's rated to hold up to 350 pounds, so I think it should hold my air conditioner. And the goal of the project is to install the air conditioner without putting any screws in the window or in the walls of the house. If you use the hardware that comes with the air conditioner, they expect you to screw a lot of screws into things. And air conditioners come and go, but those holes will be there forever, so I'd like to avoid that. The first thing I did was remove the legs from the platform. I did that by grinding off the heads of the rivets with my power grinder. I also removed all the warning labels from the various bits of the stool, since we're not going to be using it as a stool anymore. Here's a base I made out of some aluminum diamond plate that I had on hand. And if I didn't have this diamond plate, I would have used plywood, either 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch. But plywood you have to paint on both sides to protect from the weather. And you don't have to do that with the aluminum. I made this board to raise the air conditioner so that it would clear the frame for the screen. But the good thing about that is it gives us a way to attach the structure without putting screws into the window. I made 3 of these brackets out of aluminum stock I had on hand, and they're holding this board to the windowsill. And you'll notice down here I left a gap on this side so that I can remove the whole structure at the end of the summer. So I've run a bead of caulk along the sill board, and now I'm going to attach the base. Now we've attached the base to the sill board with 7 flathead screws. So now we're going to attach the stool platform to the underside of the base, and we're using pop rivets for that job. So here's the platform attached to the base. And the next job is to attach a set of legs that will act as a brace. Since we're only using 1 set of legs, I cut 5 inches off the other legs to extend the length of these legs. And I was going to cut pieces of wood to join them together, but I found in my scrap bin this section of aluminum angle stock that will work nicely to make a reinforced joint, which I will be putting together with pop rivets. Here's the legs with the extensions attached. I used a total of 10 pop rivets per side. And now we'll attach these legs to the platform on the window. Here's the platform with the legs installed. Now, as you can see, each side is braced with braces that I made from aluminum angle stock that I had on hand. And my particular air conditioner asks for a 1/4 inch slope to the rear for drainage, and so that's what I've got there. And the next step is to put on the air conditioner. Here's the stand with the air conditioner installed on it. And I made the base 1 inch wider on both sides, so I had room to pop rivet on brackets to hold everything in place. And I had them on the other side also. And it's quite rigid and strong. It doesn't move at all. Now we'll see what it looks like on the inside. And here's what it looks like on the inside. So it's time for a disclaimer. This setup worked for me with my air conditioner. Doesn't necessarily mean that it would work for your situation with your air conditioner. And if you're installing an air conditioner in a window that could possibly fall out and hit someone, I really recommend that you get it professionally installed.